Okay, sir.
OW SQA Stability Question, October 2005, Question 1, Part A. Vessel displacement, LCG given, LVP, and this cargo loaded. We need to find forward and aft draft. Vessel in salt water. So for this, we need to find first final LCG. For this, weight, LCG, movement. Displacement 11300, LCG 68.8, weight loaded 110, LCG 120, 118, LCG 82 meter, 77, 42 meter, 20 ton, LCG 125. Movement is weight into LCG is equal to movement. So we will multiply this to get our movement. This final displacement, final movement. Final LCG is equal to final movement displacement. Final movement, this one, final displacement 11625. Final LCG equal to final LCG is equal to final movement divided by final displacement. Final movement, this one, this all add, and this is final movement, this is final displacement, final movement, final displacement, and this is our final LCG in meters. Now we'll use hydrostatic table, and we are taking the final displacement, MCTC, LCB, LCF, final mean draft 5.70 meter from hydrostatic table. We have to find trim. Formula trim is equal to displacement to LCB difference, LCG difference LCB divided by MCTC. Final displacement LCG, our final LCG, LCB from hydrostatic particulars, and this is MCTC, salt water, divided by, this is our trim. Change of trim aft is equal to change of trim into LCF divided by LVP. LCF from hydrostatic particular LBP given in question. So change of trim of 0.426 meter. Change of trim forward is equal to trim minus change of trim aft. So this was our trim, and this is change of trim aft. So change of trim forward, this one. This is the formula for trim. If our LCG is bigger than this, that means vessel trim by head or down by head. If LCB is bigger, that means down by stern. In this case, our LCB is bigger, that means our vessel is down by stern. Okay. Final draft is equal to half draft is equal to initial draft plus minus CO2 off, COT off, change of trim off, plus minus if vessel is down by head, that time minus, if down by stern, then plus. Initial draft by hydrostatic table, change of trim, final aft draft, forward draft, initial draft plus minus COT, E forward. If down by head, then plus, if down by stern, minus. In our case, down by stern, so minus. This is the forward draft, and this is our answer. Forward draft 5.28 meter, aft draft 6.12 meter. Thank you.